Once upon a time, in a magical land filled with toys, there lived a lovable bear named Lotso. He was a soft, cuddly bear with a heart full of kindness. One sunny day, Lotso woke up with a curious thought. "I wonder," he mused, "if there are any toys who have lost their smiles today." With a determination in his heart, Lotso set off on an adventure to find the toys who needed a friend. He walked through the toy forest, greeting each toy he met with a warm hug. He met Woody, a cowboy toy from a far-off ranch. Woody was sad because he had lost his boot. Lotso promised to help him find it. Next, they met Buzz Lightyear, a space ranger toy who had landed in this world accidentally. Buzz was confused and scared, but Lotso reassured him, promising to help him find his way home. Together, they journeyed deeper into the toy forest, meeting many more lost toys along the way. Each toy they found was given a warm welcome and a helping hand. As the sun began to set, they reached a clearing where a group of toys were gathered. They were toys who had lost their smiles, just like Lotso had thought. Lotso, Woody, and Buzz worked together to help the toys find their smiles again. They told stories, played games, and shared laughter. By the end of the night, all the toys had their smiles back. As they headed home, Lotso looked around at the smiling toys. "I am so happy," he said, "to have helped these friends. I have found my own smile too." From that day forward, Lotso continued to help any toy who needed a friend. And whenever a toy lost their smile, they knew they could always find it again with Lotso's help. And so, the magical land of toys was filled with happiness and friendship, all thanks to a warm, cuddly bear named Lotso.